All right, let's dive right into this explainer and completely demystify how you can actually start generating a realistic daily side income from scratch. We are looking at the $100 a day progression arc today, which is a very deliberate, step-by-step process that literally anyone can follow.
Now, $100 a day. At first glance, it kind of sounds like, okay, nice, but not exactly life-changing, right? Well, consistency completely changes the math here. Over a month, that's roughly $3,000. Over a year, that adds up to a massive $36,000. And the absolute best part is, you don't need to be rich, famous, or have decades of experience to start building this. You just need the right strategy.
So, to get us there, we're going to follow a really logical progression arc today. Establishing your $100 mindset, building an income foundation, scaling digitally, reinvesting, and finally avoiding those common beginner mistakes.
All right, step 1, the $100 mindset. And moving right along to step 2, building your income foundation.
Listen, the absolute fastest way to boost your income is simply becoming undeniably valuable to other people. We're talking high-income skills: video editing, copywriting, graphic design, coding, AI automation, or digital marketing. These are all in massive demand. Imagine mastering just one of these. Let's say video editing for local realtors over the next few months. People will gladly, and I mean gladly, pay for your specific expertise to solve their exact problems.
Okay, so you've got your skill. Now what? You hit up global freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to offer your services. Now, let's be real. Your very first client probably isn't going to make you rich, and that's totally fine. You're there to build experience and rack up those crucial 5-star reviews. Because once you have that solid portfolio, boom, you can confidently raise your rates to hit that $100 a day target.
But hey, actually, scratch that whole online-only idea for a second. Some of the most successful income journeys start literally in your own neighborhood with simple offline services. Things like lawn care, car washing, dog walking, house cleaning, photography, or even just helping someone set up their computer. These are fantastic, incredibly valid ways to get cash flowing before you ever even think about constructing an entire online business.
All right, section 3, scaling your digital income. Now this is where it gets really fun. The true magic of scaling comes down to this one simple mantra: create once, sell many times. By creating digital products, we're talking templates, ebooks, printable planners, online guides. You do the hard, focused work exactly one time. But then, you can sell that exact same product an infinite number of times without ever having to pack or ship a single physical item. It's pretty amazing.
Another absolute game changer for scaling is affiliate marketing. Basically, you're just recommending helpful products or services to others, and you earn a commission when someone buys through your unique link. There's no inventory to manage, no customer service headaches. You're just connecting people with the tools they already need.
But, and this is a massive but, there is a golden rule you have to follow here. Trust is way more valuable than a quick commission, period. You should absolutely only ever promote products you genuinely believe in. Protecting your audience's trust is always going to pay off more in the long run than grabbing a quick buck today. So what about building an audience to sell to? Starting a YouTube channel in niches like educational content, tutorials, finance, tech, or productivity is a phenomenal way to scale. Now, it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, right? But it builds an incredibly powerful long-term asset. It becomes this ecosystem fueled by ad revenue, sponsorships, and, you guessed it, those affiliate links and digital products we just went over. And hey, if you're feeling kind of intimidated by the camera or the whole editing process, just remember this: consistency matters way more than perfection. Seriously, do not obsess over making the perfect thumbnail or some flawless cinematic edit right out of the gate. Just keep showing up, keep hitting publish. The quality, that's going to naturally follow.
Moving right along to section 4, the reinvestment growth strategy.
Okay, this right here, this is what separates the winners from everyone else. While most beginners spend every single dollar they make the second it hits their account, successful people immediately take those earnings and reinvest them. We're talking upgrading to better equipment, learning new skills, improving marketing reach, and just generally expanding the business. Why? Because they understand a fundamental truth. Small investments today create much larger income tomorrow. These disciplined little investments act like seeds. You're basically planting a financial forest, compounding your own success by continuously feeding the exact machine that's paying you. All right, final stretch. Section 5, avoiding common beginner mistakes.
It is so incredibly easy to fall into these classic traps, expecting overnight results, chasing whatever new social media trend pops up, or, my personal favorite, buying super expensive courses and then taking literally zero action. The winner mindset is the exact opposite. You pick one single method we've discussed today, you master it completely, and you only expand after you have predictable, reliable cash flow.
Look, making your first $100 a day is absolutely possible. You just need patience, valuable skills, and consistent effort. Always remember the core philosophy here. Small daily progress leads to massive, life-changing results over time. It's a marathon, guys, not a sprint.
So, looking at this whole roadmap we've explored in today's explainer, you've got the tools, you've got the framework. Now, the only thing left is the actual execution. Which of these realistic methods are you going to commit to taking action on right now, today? Seriously, what's going to be the catalyst that completely changes your financial trajectory?